Hi, I'm Kayla, Product Manager at Audible Signal, and I'm here to talk to you about our StreamLine Modular Series. The StreamLine Modular Series allows users to choose from one of 8 top modules in one of 6 spaces to best fit your application. The different signals simply snap together and apart. This product line is ideal for OEM applications, safe area manufacturing sites, office areas, and municipal applications such as airports and parking garages. Our StreamLine Modular Series visual signals include model SLM100, a multifunctional LED beacon with steady, flashing, and rotating light effects. Model SLM200, a multifunctional LED beacon with flashing, simulated strobe, and random light effects. Models SLM300 and SLM350, multifunctional, low-profile LED beacons with steady, flashing, and simulated strobe light effects. Models SLM1400 and SLM1450, multifunctional, low-profile LED beacons produce 8 colors and 5 flash patterns. We also offer audible visual combination signals, starting with our model SLM500, multifunctional LED audible visual signal that produces up to 105 decibels at 1 meter. Model SLM600 high output multifunctional LED audible visual signal produces up to 115 decibels at 1 meter. Model SLM700 multi-tone electronic sounder produces up to 105 decibels at 1 meter. Model SLM800 high output multi-tone electronic sounder produces up to 115 decibels at 1 meter. Our base options include a deep and shallow surface mount, a wall mount, a pipe mount, dock lights, and a twin mount for combination signaling. Our StreamLine Modular Series gives you the flexibility to choose your signal and your mount to best fit your application. For additional information, refer to our website at fedsig.com.